Welcome back to FAFO Friday, and this week we're going to do a shooting challenge, trying to shoot balloons off of this RC car. Let's check it out. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit. Alright, round one, we're going to start out with a 22, and we're going to have 5 shots in the gun. We've got a shot timer going. Once we hear the beep, we'll have 10 seconds. 10 seconds is full points for 10 points. As time goes by, we lose points all the way down to 0. Shots don't matter, but we will have a max of 5. So let's see what we can do with the first round here. All right, so we got the 22. We're going to say go, then there's going to be a 5-second delay. Once the beep is going, then the timer starts, and we'll see how long this takes. All right, I'm ready.
On your call, then.
Okay, go.
.62.
2.62. Okay, so that's 2 seconds off, so I get 8 points. I like it. All right, Tyler's turn.
Go. Oh, shit. Safety.
$10.3.
Whoa!
So 0 points?
0 points.
0 points.
Ah!
All right, let's move on to the next round. All right, round 2. Same rules are going to apply, but we got the Smith & Wesson Chamberlain FN57 and 10 seconds, 5 shots. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Go. It says 0 seconds. Why did that not work?
Hold on.
All right, well, the shot timer is not picking this one up, so we're just going to go back to the video. So after my round, we will count the seconds and see where we're at and give a score. So let's try this one. Ready?
Go. .49.
So we pick that one up. I got at least 10. Let's see what Tyler got.
That's 10 points. Oh my god.
There he went, ding!
Well, he like stopped.
Hey, take it. That's the point.
All right, well, we reviewed the footage from the last one. It took Tyler 4 seconds, so that gives him 6 points. So it is 6-18. We're going to move on to the 365, and we're using the 9mm interceptors for this round. Same rules apply. Shooter ready.
Go.
Zero points.
10.3 seconds.
All right, Tyler's turn with the 9mm. It's actually a lot harder without the dot, so let's see how he does. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Go. Oh, wait. I forgot to hit the timer.
I mean, hey.
All right,
Round 2.
round 2. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Go.
Aha.
Oh, I hit the button. All right, so Tyler got 4 points on the last round. That brings him up to 10. I have 18. I had to review the footage because I hit the button on the timer again. But anyways, we're going to a Sig P320. Screwed that up. We're going to a Sig P320 with a dot for this round. Shooter ready?
Ready?
Go. I mean, that's less than 1 second, so 10 points.
Woo! Scoreboard.
It didn't record it again, but... All right, my turn. Tyler got 10 points on that one, so I got to get at least 2 so we stay even. We got his 320, and let's go. Shooter ready.
Go. .87, so call it 9.
8-7, we can call it 8.
Okay.
All right, so 28.
28. Or you got 18, so 26.
Yeah, 26. All right, well, we got my P80 Glock here in 45, and we're going to see what we can do with that. This one doesn't have iron sights again, so hopefully I hit something. All right, shooter ready.
Go. .53.
Okay, so 5 points. Tyler's turn.
Hell yeah.
Tyler's turn with the 45 ACP. Shooter ready?
Ready?
Go. .78. 10 points for Tyler.
Lord's caliber.
All right, so we're going to step it up to the big 10 millimeter. We only have 4 rounds this time because I couldn't find my second box of ammunition. So here we go, 10 millimeter. Shooter ready?
Ready?
Go. .6. Feel like the truck driver was giving me on that one. All right, my turn with the 10 millimeter. Let's see what we can do. Shooter ready.
Go.
Oh, safety.
2.7.
Okay, I think that makes us tied.
That gives you 8 points.
So I'm 1 behind.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're going to do another round. We both got a balloon over here. Tyler's shooting for the blue one. I'm shooting for the pink one. Whoever gets the blue, or whoever pops their balloon first gets 10 points. So let's try this one.
You ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go.
Hold on. Whoa, blue, let's go!
You didn't shoot. All right, for this round, we got 2 balloons on the car. Tyler's going to be shooting for the green one. I'm shooting for the pink one. Whoever pops their balloon first or gets it popped gets 10 points. So let's move into this one.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Go.
Did you push the button?
Did you hit the button?
It beeped.
Did it really?
Yeah.
When did it beep?
I literally heard a beep. It went beep.
I didn't hear shit. I know we're both like, any second now.
Okay.
All right. Try it again.
Over again.
Take 2 on...
Taking 2.
Yeah, take 3. I don't know. Let's try the counter again. Oh,
You ready?
hang on. He's got it stuck in a tree.
Hurry up.
Hey.
Okay. We're ready.
Ready.
You ready?
Ready.
Yes.
Go.
We're up to large caliber shenanigans.
Yes, large caliber shenanigans.
I noticed.
Where it could all go terribly wrong or terribly right.
And nothing can go, oh my god, it all went wrong.
Yeah. So, You have 50. I have 39.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll show you how to hit the button.
Yeah. And he'll show that it beeps too.
It beeps.
All right. So we're here to the last round. We got a 44 Magnum. We only get 2 shots each, double points, and we'll see what happens. I have 39 points. Tyler has 50, so this could change the whole thing. Let's do it. Ready?
Go. .98.
So that's 12 more points.
Yeah.
Okay. That puts me to 51 to his 50.
All I have to do is hit it.
Yeah, all you got to do is hit it. All right, well, here we are. Last round. I've got 51. Tyler's got 50. All he's got to do is hit the balloon to beat me. So, shooter ready?
Ready.
Go. Oh, yeah. All right, well, I ended up winning with 51 points to Tyler's 50. He's typically the better shooter, so I feel kind of good about that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, always shoot cool shit.